Yaqub S. Koyur, a shining star in the realm of education. Yaqub Koyur, a renowned educator and mathematics teacher, has left an indelible mark on the world of education. His remarkable journey, spanning over 2 decades, is a testament to his unwavering dedication, passion, and innovative approaches to teaching. Yaqub Koyur was born in Innal of Koyur, a remote village in Karnataka, India. His parents, Isabu Berry and Alamama. Isabu Berry was running a grocery shop in Koyur. Alamama, also called Kirunisa, was a housewife. They valued education and encouraged their son to pursue his academic dreams. Recently, Yaqub Koyur lost his parents. Yaqub's early education was at Higher Primary School Koyur, Adurparal, where he showed a keen interest in mathematics. He later attended Sri Dharmasthala Aided High School in Ujire, where he excelled in his studies. Yaqub began his teaching career as an honorary teacher at Government High School Karaya in Belthangadi Taluk. He later taught at Government High School Jerukate and served as principal at Mountain View English School and Silmara High School in Puttur. His appointment as a mathematics teacher by the Education Department of Karnataka in Government High School Nada, Belthangadi Taluk, recognizes his expertise and dedication to the field. Later he deputed as an assistant director of midday meals program, and where he worked for 5 years. His subsequent promotion and transfer to headmaster of Government High Kayarthatka, near Dharmasthala, is a well-deserved acknowledgement of his leadership and administrative skills. It's interesting to note that he hails from Nada village in Belthangadi Taluk of Karnataka, India. His journey from a small village in Karnataka to becoming a renowned educator and innovator in mathematics education is truly inspiring. Yaqub Koyur has received numerous honors and recognition for his exceptional contributions to education and mathematics. Some of the notable honors include Maths Magician, Ganitha Brahma, by Lions Club Belthangadi, Ganitha Samrat, by District Lions Club, Sadhna Shri, by JCI Belthangadi, Veera Shri, by Bhaira Samaja Belthangadi, Nation Builder Award, by Rotary International. In addition to these prestigious awards, he has received hundreds of honors and recognition from various organizations across Karnataka, acknowledging his dedication, innovative approaches, and impact on education. These honors reflect his reputation as an exceptional educator and mathematician, inspiring generations of students and teachers alike. Yaqub S. Koyur's dedication and excellence in education have been recognized and honored with numerous prestigious awards, including Ashams Rao Award, 2016, Yenapoya Best Teacher Award, District Best Teacher Award, 2016, B.A. Mohidian Best Teacher Award. Yaqub received the National Best Teacher Award from the President of India, the State Best Teacher Award from the Government of Karnataka. Yaqub has prepared over 5,000 pages of mathematics materials for high school students, which he has shared freely on social media and his blog. He has also created a Facebook account to share his achievements and memories. His contributions have inspired countless students and teachers, and his legacy continues to shape the world of education. Yaqub Koyur's dedication to education and mathematics is evident in his efforts to create engaging educational content for a wider audience. His YouTube channel, Maths Magic, is a valuable resource for students, teachers, and anyone interested in mathematics. By sharing his educational videos publicly, he has made high-quality mathematical content accessible to all, provided a valuable resource for students to supplement their learning, supported teachers and educators in their teaching endeavors, demonstrated his commitment to education and mathematics outreach. Yaqub Koyur's Maths Magic channel is a testament to his innovative approach to education, ensuring that mathematics is made accessible, engaging, and fun for everyone. These awards acknowledge his outstanding contributions to education, his innovative approaches, and his commitment to inspiring and shaping young minds. Yaqub is married to Mrs. Jamila, and they have 2 children, Dr. Hamna Jazila, who bagged 4 gold medals in her BDS course, and Nihal Yusuf, who is studying in SDM College Ujire. His family has been a constant source of support throughout his journey. Yaqub Koyur's life is a shining example of dedication, passion, and innovation in education. His contributions have left a lasting impact on the lives of many, and his legacy will continue to inspire future generations. He remains a beloved figure in the educational community, and his achievements serve as a reminder of the power of hard work and commitment to excellence. Yaqub Koyur's achievements serve as a testament to the power of dedication, hard work, and innovative thinking. Despite humble beginnings, he has made a significant impact on the lives of countless students and educators, leaving a lasting legacy in the field of education. His story is a reminder that talent and potential can be found in every corner of our country, and with the right support and opportunities, individuals like Yaqub Koyur can achieve greatness and inspire others to do the same. Yaqub Koyur, a visionary educator who revolutionized mathematics education by creating a mathematics lab in his school. This innovative approach transformed the way students learn mathematics, making it more engaging, interactive, and fun. The Mathematics Lab, a first-of-its-kind initiative, provides a hands-on environment where students can explore mathematical concepts through experiments, models, and real-world applications. This approach fosters curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking, enabling students to develop a deeper understanding of mathematical principles. Yaqub Koyur's Mathematics Lab has been widely acclaimed and emulated, inspiring a new generation of students to embrace mathematics with enthusiasm and confidence. His innovative approach has also influenced teacher training programs, empowering educators to adopt more effective and engaging teaching methods. By creating a mathematics lab, Yaqub Koyur has not only improved mathematics education but also inspired a love for learning and a passion for innovation in his students. His dedication to education and his commitment to making mathematics accessible and enjoyable for all have left a lasting impact on the world of education. Yaqub Koyur is a writer of mathematics solutions for high school math problems. His work focuses on providing clear and concise explanations and solutions to help students understand and excel in mathematics. Yaqub Koyur's writing extends beyond mathematics to inspire and motivate others through stories rooted in real-life experiences. His motivational stories likely aim to encourage and uplift readers, sharing valuable lessons and insights gained from everyday life. By writing about real-life experiences, Yaqub Koyur's stories likely resonate with readers, making the messages more relatable and impactful. His work seems to span both education and inspiration, reflecting his passion for teaching and his desire to make a positive difference in people's lives. Yaqub Koyur's book, Molyagala Hudukatadalli, translated to In Searching of Values, written in Kannada, is a testament to his literary talent and dedication to inspiring others. The title itself suggests a thoughtful and introspective work, exploring the human experience and the beauty of life's journey. By writing in Kannada, Yaqub Koyur has made his work accessible to a wider audience in Karnataka and beyond, sharing his insights and motivations with readers in their native language. Yaqub Koyur's impact on mathematics education in Karnataka is truly remarkable. As a resource person for math, he has made a significant contribution to the development of mathematical understanding among students and teachers alike. His dedication to sharing his expertise and passion for mathematics through hundreds of classes across the state is commendable. By inspiring thousands of students and teachers, he has created a ripple effect, fostering a love for mathematics and a confidence in its application. Yaqub Koyur's efforts have likely had a profound impact on the academic achievement and career paths of many individuals, shaping the next generation of mathematicians, scientists, and innovators. His legacy as a motivator and educator will undoubtedly continue to inspire future generations. Yaqub Koyur's contributions to mathematics education in Karnataka are truly remarkable. Creating a mathematics lab in his school, which has inspired hundreds of schools in the state, is a testament to his innovative approach to teaching and learning. The lab's unique style has likely made mathematics more engaging and accessible to countless students. Yaqub Koyur's journey serves as an inspiration to educators and students alike, demonstrating the impact one person can have on the educational landscape. His work continues to shape young minds and foster a love for mathematics, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of education.